Oh my god, what's up, YouTube? So I am super duper excited, and I had to vlog this because I couldn't wait to get home because I got something in the mail. And guess what it is? I ordered a braided wig from D4dannie, and I have been waiting on this wig since I think I ordered it in March, and it is now April 19th. So I just wanted to vlog this because I want to do a genuine reaction to the wig, and I'm like super excited. So therefore, I felt like this should be on camera. So I'm about to open it right now so we can see if it looks exactly like what the pictures and the videos that she has on her Instagram looks like. So let me see. Alright, so I couldn't open it with one hand, but here we are. I cut it open with some scissors. You can tell I didn't open it because it's stapled. So I'm going to take everything out. Okay, so, address. Alright, so I still didn't open it yet, but here we go. So I'm about to pull the wig out. I am so excited, you guys. Like, I literally, when I saw it was delivered, I was like, oh, I'm ready to go home. I don't even want to be here anymore. So here we go. I cut everything open. Just cut it off just now. And literally, you guys, I was so excited. I could not wait to get home. So here we go. And it already looks amazing. Sorry, I'm just trying to work with one hand. So it comes in a plastic, which looks like maybe a bag that they use for a previous wig or something like that. And it comes with this bag. Okay, this is nice. Excuse the one hand motion here. I'm just trying to vlog it because I just had to do this real quick. So it just has all of D4dannie's information on here. This is where you can follow her on her Instagram, D4dannie, and that's how I ordered my wig. Well, actually, I went to her Instagram and got the information for her WhatsApp. So here is the wig. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Look at this wig. Oh my god. I'm so in love. And it's exactly what I wanted. Oh my god. It feels so good. And it looks like they did bleach the knots in it, so it can look realistic, which is awesome. And I got my wig way earlier than I thought I would, so this is perfect. Let's look at the inside. Okay, yep, so they definitely did bleach it, and looks like it has some straps in here to adjust it, which is awesome because my head is little. And then you can see how they constructed the wig, and it has braids in the back, so you can see the quality of the braids. It just looks awesome. It's not that many in the back, but the braids in the top area, they kind of make up for it. So looks like they braid it down here, and then the individuals go underneath, which is still perfect for me. I cannot wait to try this on. I just wanted you guys to see the way the wig look as soon as you get it. And for me, I am very satisfied. Thank you so much, D4dannie, for sending this amazing wig, and I cannot wait to try it on. See you later, YouTube.